Hi, I am Ankur Goyal. I am a student of Maharishi University of Management. Basically, I belongs to India. I started thinking for masters, and I was thinking for different universities. Where shall I go? Either I should go to America or I should go to New Zealand or Australia. Then I found out this university, Maharishi University of Management, and I really enjoyed by the course structure they have defined for me. Like, I just have to pay initial 10% of the whole amount, and then I can study here for 8 months campus study, and then I can go for 2 years paid practical training. It's like, wow. Initially I had in this mind, like, Maharishi University of Management is like a Indian something Indian name, because I belongs to India, and Maharishi is like an Indian name. But I would like to clear my Indian aspirant friends who are looking to come to Maharishi University that this is not an Indian university. What I found out, like, somewhere in 1970s, people who over here, they inspired from Maharishi Mahesh Yogi, and then they thought to go for this university, to start the university, Maharishi University of Management. And this university is there from 1970s, and I'm really inspired and honored to be here. Well, I should say the course here is quite challenging. 8 months of study is like, whatever they teach us is directly bounded to industry. Most of the professors here came from industry background, and they are quite knowledgeable in their particular field, and I am really enjoying my courses here. What I found out, like, whatever it has been taught to me, and it's quite industry oriented, and I really like it. And the course structure, like one course at a time for a month, it's like, you are completely focusing your mind for that particular subject for the complete month, and it really gives you a pleasure, and it really gives you a focus for that particular subject. What I like the most here is the lakeside area. That area is quite wonderful. When I go there, I really feel like talking to the nature lively. Then I spend most of the time here at a recreational center where I used to play lawn tennis. I used to play cricket, and I used to play indoor hockey as well. I'm really honored to receive that meditation, because there are so many meditations over in India as well, and I practice a lot there as well. But I found this a really different, and I personally feel like, I found a lot of changes in me after going through this meditation. I found a relaxed time routine for the whole day, and everything is well organized now for me, and I found a lot of changes in me after that doing this meditation. I hope I will keep continuing this meditation forever in life. I'm sure the aspiring students who are thinking to come over here, they will surely enjoy the environment, the work culture, and the program over here, and the friendship with the international students, and I'm sure you guys will love it. Thank you.